Well, we're here at the beach, and this is camping day number 3, and it's really fun. There's so many sand, and I don't really want to get sandy. Look, I'll show you a great surprise. Wait, surprise! I have a little dinghy there from probably the park. I don't want to get my hair sandy. It's already sandy. Ooh, do you see where the people stepped? Let's jump in their footprints. Jump. Jump, 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 wee! Okay, Elsia, I'm coming after you. Wait, I forgot to jump. It's okay, I can just jump here. 2, jump, 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 jump. Here with you. Yup, and the sun is shining. And those are moving so much. Because today is a windy day. Whew, and it's pretty cold. Did you see the giant wave, Elsia? Let's look at the waves. Look how big that one was. It's gonna come in soon. Big wave. And come on, big wave. You missed it, Anya. Oh, come on. Look now, Anya. Look. I think it's gonna be a big wave. Come on. Looks like there's no big wave. I guess so. We both missed the big wave. Yeah. Maybe now we won't. We just have to see, and maybe we won't. Let's see. Did you see that one? Oh, come on, I didn't really see it. Well, me neither. I guess it's okay now. Let's play a fun game. Ooh, look. Dig my feet into the sand. Ooh, look how cool this is. Hey, you can dig yours in too. I know, I want to bury your leg, Elsia. Yeah, okay. I think we missed another big wave. It's okay. Just dig it in. No, Anya, not my whole body. Oopsies. Oh, Anya. Now my whole dress is sandy too. I guess it's okay. No, it's not okay. Okay. My fringe is not good. Let's have a look at the sea. The sea's kind of interesting, yeah. It's kind of stopped. The waves aren't really big. Yes, that was a big one, kind of. A big one's coming! Whee! Yeah, right, a big wave. I guess so. It's like kind of winter. It's not winter yet, but it's not summer either. It's kind of cooler that way. Do you want to go that way, maybe? Yeah, sure, let's go. Sure, let's go. Let's save the waves. Yes, we saw a big one. Why are you saying bye to the waves, Elsia? I don't know, because we won't see them. We're just going a little bit away. Look, the sea always follows us. See? Oh, yeah. See. See, Elsia? The sea will always follow us. See? Ooh, that looks kind of cool. I guess the frogs are made out of that. Yep, that's a baby one. That looks kind of like a bird feed, but it's actually only seaweed. Ooh, look how weird. Oh, actually, it's just not. What the frog is made out of just normal plain seaweed. I know, let's find an own hiding spot. Yep, this is my one. Away from the wind. Okay, well then, I guess so mine will be here. Yay! I'm actually scared on my own. I don't want to stay here. The waves look kind of scary. Oh no. Let me just hide here. Hey, you're supposed to be in your own hiding spot over there somewhere. I know, but I'm scared on my own. Cause I'm scared. I have a great challenge, Elsia. What is it? I'm so happy now. We're on camping, but we're at the beach still. What is the challenge, Anya, anyway? Well, we have to find as many rocks as we can. Remember when we did the flower challenge at the grassy park? Oh, yes. Ooh, look how cool. I found one. In total, well, I found 1 trillion billion. Cause Elsia, look, this is the sand. It's clearly rocks. It's little rocks. Oh, yeah! Oh, come on, I guess you would, because you found much more rocks than I did. So yeah, it's really fun being at the beach here. We can only explore a little place. You go first, Anya. Okay. I guess so. I will go last then. Okay. Go. Okay. Let me go now. Well, wait, shall I explore? Well, let me just get up. Let me just explore here. Oh, that's the way. So, the whole day is mine. Go. So fun being at the beach. I love being at the beach. I love being at the beach. Let me go here. Ooh, look, it's kind of wet here and it's kind of shady here. I'll jump with it. 3, 2, 1, jump. I want to jump bigger. Starting from these rocks. 3, 2, 1, jump. That was a I heard like one of the cars or a bus or train. Maybe a train. I'm not sure. Whoa, such a big wave. It's starting to go windy. It's better if I let Elsia come now. Oh yes, a train is coming. I want to watch a train. Yes, the train is gonna be loud. Hold my ears. Yes, this is so cool. Yes, heard a load of people scream. Yay, look, Mommy, there's a train there. Oh, I see that Elsia saw the train too, and Elsa brought us to the beach. Wait, I want to do the same thing when Elsa did. Squeeze. So cool. We don't want to do it here. Squeeze it in. And here, squeeze, 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 squeeze. I guess I can just go now. And Elsia looks for... Whoa, the wave is so big. Whoa, that's so cool. So cool, so cool. Oh, there's so many free jobs here. Ooh. I know, I want to jump too. I saw Anya jump and I saw a cool train. Oh, I want to squeeze both of my legs in now. 3, 2, 1, squeeze. I can't get out. Oh no, it's like in the movies when they get stuck into these stuff here. It's just like this, and I'm on my head. Okay, you got out. Ooh, this is where I got stuck. Or maybe I don't know where. Jump, 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 please. Whoa, the sea's so pretty. What am I waiting for? Let me go to the sea, actually. We want to slide. 3, 2, 1, we slide. Woohoo! Past some seaweed, into the rocks. Oh no, ow, the rocks are spiking me and I'm stuck in them. Ooh, sweet. This is so fun. And I'm gonna jump on a big rock. Woohoo! This is really fun. And now I'm at the rocky part. Whoa, I love the rocky part because you can collect stuff. Jump, jump. Because the last time with Atlanta, Isabel's mom, Isabel and Atlanta came to the beach. Whee! Together. Whoa, now the water's pretty close. Whoa, that's so cool. I want to get a bit close. The water came out to here because the rocks are wet. Whoa, look how nice the water is. Whoa, it's really pretty. What if I just go a bit closer to the water? Whoa, oh no, the water's coming. Help, I have to run. Quickly. Did the water get me? Okay, phew. It's really close. Hopefully the water doesn't get me. I'm like 2 meters apart from it. Look, I'm gonna throw together. 3, 2, 1, whee! It looks much prettier. Whee! That's really nice. One last one. Whee! I haven't noticed I've been throwing it on my own stuff. So cool. The water's close. I love when the water's really close. I want to go in. Look at this weird thing. That looks like a spider. Oh no. Oh no. That's really weird. Whoa. It's so cool being so close to the water. Whoa. That's really nice. Oh no. I nearly got hit by the waves. Oh no. Whew, that was really lucky that I didn't. Let me go back to Anya. It was such a fun camping day, but it didn't finish yet.